Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So today I am going to talk to you about my lead acid batteries. The reason I hate lead acid batteries. As you know, about 2 years ago, we shifted from lead acid batteries to lithium ion batteries. And you know what? I've had no regret, I've not looked back. So let me show you some of the things I hate. One, you see all these containers here? That's for distilled water. We use it to pour distilled water, or we use it to clean the top of the terminals. There's a distilled water jug or keg, 25 liters. You see all this stuff here that forms all this white stuff? Let me see if I get up close. I hate them. It doesn't matter. I've cleaned it twice today, and that's built up from the battery charging. Right now I can smell and I'm inhaling the gases that are coming out from the batteries. It doesn't matter what you do, you just can't get past this. Let me tell you the part that's driving me nuts the most. So at one point, all these batteries were pretty close when I checked them on the hydrometer. In fact, this battery was very good. This battery was okay, this battery was good. These were a little on the weak side. I'm going to show you the differences now since then. So this one, as you see on the hydrometer, it's currently in the white area, which means it's fair. Red is not good. Green is good. As you can see, it's floating. So that's this one. This one, a week and a half ago, was charged, was in the white. You see it's deep in the red. Okay, it's barely floating. There is no reason for it to do this. He just woke up and decided that's what it's going to do. So they've gone from getting 12 hours to getting less than 5 hours, and nothing changed. Charging with the same resources, nothing changed. Just woke up and decided I didn't want to behave anymore. See this one? A little bit in red. Okay, it was in white before. Mosquitoes. I hate getting bit. Look at this one. This one was good. See, now it used to be lower part of the white, close to green. Now it's creeping into the red area. No reason, nothing changed. We've had the same amount of sunshine since. Just this week it decided it didn't want to charge anymore, and that's it. There's nothing you can do shy of banging your head against the wall. See this one? See, this one is very solidly in the white. You can see it, right? It's floating, so that's a good sign, right? Last week it was struggling. Last week it was in the red. It was close to red. Can't explain this to you. It just goes through his phases. No reason why. It just does what it wants to do. Here's another one, almost in green. Okay, that's one I was struggling with before. Now it's doing well. The ones that were doing well are now struggling, and the ones I was struggling with are the ones that are doing well. I detest lead acid batteries. The smells, all the fluids you have, all the stuff you have to clean. I just don't know what to say. I hate them. If anybody knows why I'm going through this experience, please post it below and let me know what I can do differently. I don't have the ability to run higher charges than what I'm running right now. We see 15.2 volts, which is an average of 2.5 volts per cell. Which ordinarily 6 times 12. Yep. Which ordinarily should be more than enough. We've seen as much as 15.6, but over the last week or two, over this week, we've struggled to go past 15.4. Okay, so I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. I'm just like my original plan. I'm just going to run it till the day it decides it's not going anymore, and it dies. And once it's dead, you know what? We'll sell it for scrap. Get some money for the lead. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. If you have a suggestion as to how I can make this work, please post it below. If you've not subscribed, please click the subscribe button and also click on the notification icon so that when I post new videos, you'll be able to, well, you'll be notified that we've posted new videos. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Sorry for the noise. There is a gas station that was built across on the other side of this wall, and that's I believe the gas. It's either the gas, where you buy gas, or it is the gas pump that's making that noise. Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola. So this is the voltage of the battery right now, and 200 watts, I believe, is being pushed into it, or 13.6 amps. Now, since the last time I did a video on this, the batteries are only lasting about 2 or 3 hours. I was so excited that shaking it was going to make a difference, and when I shook it like that. Didn't see any spike in voltage, didn't see any change. And then today, I'm like, I have nothing to lose, and I shook it this way. And when I did that, there was a spike in voltage. The battery voltage was bouncing all over the place. It went from as little as 13 volts all the way to 16.3 volts, and of course it went into float. I turned it off, turned it back on again, and I came back, it was in float. And then something else I did also was I added a distilled water. Unlike normal batteries, this required that they be completely full. Let me see if I can show you what I mean. It's like when you put water in it, you're not only putting water to just cover the plates, you're putting water almost to the top of the cap. So if you see how full it is. So that's how much I had to fill it up by, which is very unusual for lead acid batteries. Well, lead acid batteries themselves are very unusual. So I'm hoping today that after this little experiment where I added a whole lot more water and I shook it front to back, I rocked it front to back instead of going sideways like this, that will make a difference. The batteries were at 16 volts for a while. I had a lot more activity, bubbling and boiling than I had before. Sorry, the noise is coming from the gas station that's behind me. And I'm hoping that this little action made a big difference. So in about a day or two, I'll report to you and let you know how much better the batteries are relative to yesterday and the day before. But quick summary, they've been averaging less than 3 to 4 hours of run time versus the 12 hours they were getting before. Nothing major changed. If the video before this will show you exactly, we'll give you an update as to what's happened and what I decided to do today, hoping that I can get more out of these batteries. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Did I tell you that I hate flooded batteries? I hate flooded batteries. I loathe flooded batteries. 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 3 kilowatt hours went into these batteries and only 3 hours on light bulbs. Makes no sense.